natin dito sa Kababayan Today, si Gurong Peter Esperanza, our first recipient of our Kababayan Today Community Hero Award. You're probably wondering why? Why is this teacher getting this award? I'll tell you why, because he's doing some really innovative stuff when it comes to math that's really helping us understand all these complicated theories. So, Peter, let's talk about number bender. Paano nag-umpisa ito at paano mo naisip ito?
Yung kaibigan ko nung college, nagbabakasyon ako sa Pilipinas 3 years ago, and then we were in Vegan. Tapos umuulan, wala kaming mapuntahan. Nakwentuhan lang, sabi ko, ang dami kong teaching materials. I have PowerPoint presentations and worksheets. Paano ko ba i-organize to? And then my friend, Paulo Reyes, who's also the developer of Number Bender, di gawa natin ng website. And I was like, I don't know, I don't even know how to create a website from scratch. Like, so he handled everything. He helped me. He helped me put up the website. The Number Bender, it came from me, that name, because I was...
Oo, bakit nga naman Number Bender?
Remember yung movie na The Last Airbender, Avatar?
Right.
So medyo geek ako. So nanonood ako nung mga cartoons dun sa Nickelodeon, yung Last Airbender. So meron doon mga firebender, waterbender, airbender, so why not Number Bender?
All right, and what is Number Bender? I-explain mo sa ating audience kung ano ito, what is the principle behind this website?
Yung Number Bender, yun yung website ko for Flipped Classroom.
Okay, ano ba itong Flipped Classroom? Kasi that's something that's a very new terminology also.
This is an innovative teaching pedagogy wherein yung homework is being done inside the classroom so that yung lecture, yung boring lecture, will be done at home via internet. So
pagdating ng estudyante sa klase, hindi na sila makikinig na nagle-lecture ka because you already put that on the website. So the student has to have the initiative to do the work at home and watch the lecture para pagdating niya, mag-homework na lang siya.
You're exactly right, G. Estudyante ba kita? but that's the perfect explanation of the flipped classroom. Yes, you are absolutely right. And
so you're flipping the model of what homework is, because ang homework, dapat sa home mo ginagawa. Ngayon, ang homework ginagawa mo sa school.
Yes.
Okay, and what is the purpose of doing this?
The purpose of, because I used to have an hour of math lectures sa klase, and then nabawasan na siya ng 10 minutes. And I've been looking for ways on how to make sure na makakapagturo pa rin ako with 10 minutes less of class time with my students. So nakita ko yung flipped classroom. At yun yung pinaka-effective dun sa isip ko na pwede kong gawin since meron akong Number Bender. So i-upload ko lang yung mga videos ko online, and then yung mga students ko, sabi nga tulad ng sinabi mo, magkokopya na sila ng notes. So I don't need to wait for them to finish writing out the notes from my whiteboard kasi nasa notebook na nila. All I need to do is give some math problems and then give them more time to practice, which gives me more time to have more interaction with my students. And wala na yung boring lecture. Tapos na, nasa notebook na nila. So pagdating sa school, 2 minutes na explanation lang what happened last night, and here, x plus 2 equal to 3, find the value of x, and they're like, oh,
alam na
ready.
nila.
Yeah.
Imagine being able to do your homework, tapos nandun yung teacher mo para kung may tanong ka, Mr. E, ano ba to? Hindi ko makuha, nandun ka.
Yun lang nga, yun mismo yung purpose ko doon, yung parang, because you know homework, it's too frustrating, especially in mathematics. If you don't know what you're doing at home, you're not going to be able to ask your mom or your dad to help you with your calculus homework,
yes,
right?
because what do us parents know about calculus?
Yeah, so pagdating sa school, homework lang kami ng homework, so practice na lang kami ng practice. Kasi yung concept, nakuha na nila doon sa notes nila. So, ako na yung tutulong sa kanila sa homework nila. Hindi na yung nanay nila or yung tatay nila or yung internet, because I'm there for the entire period helping them answer calculus problems, statistics, or algebra problems. So yeah, kung ano yung sinabi mo, yun. Dapat pumunta ka sa classroom ko and then explain mo sa kanila kung ano yung flipped classroom because you said it right on the dot. So that's basically what flipped classroom is. And the benefits of having a flipped classroom.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, G.
Well, because of this, Peter, we would like to award you our first ever award for Community Hero.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here on Kababayan Today, you're really making a difference. You're thinking out of the box. And that's why we'd like to award this to you. From Kababayan Today and LA18, I would like to give you this certificate of recognition for the amazing work that you're doing. You're really representing us Filipino Americans, that innovative and resilient spirit. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much,
Peter
Dee.
Esperanza, Mr.
Thank
E of Number Bender. I can't wait to visit you in Barstow.
Oh, we are already excited about you visiting Barstow. Para alam nila kung nasan yung Barstow.
Maraming salamat for being on Kababayan Today. And when we return here on the show, makikita natin ang classroom ni Mr. Peter Esperanza, our first ever Filipino-American community hero. Maraming salamat, Peter.
Thank you so much, G.
Thank you very much. We'll see you guys when we return with Peter Esperanza.